Yo, what's up, people? Give me a sec. Let me put the focus back, and there we go. Welcome back to another stream, and it's been a 2-3 days, I believe, since we last did a stream. So I was away. So as I said, I'll be back by Tuesday. So it's Tuesday here for me, and it's a night here. So we'll continue with the stuff that we was doing, and with that said, welcome back to another stream, and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, enjoying your day or night maybe. So let's get started and start with the stream. If you guys have any questions, drop in the chat. I'll try my best to answer those, and if you guys are having fun, like the stream, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. There will be stuff in the future that you might not regret subscribing me. Well, yeah, that's the future. So let's start what we are doing for now, as we was doing the solid state, and last time we, as far as I remember, what we did. We got the user flag, and now we are trying to look for a way how we can like escalate the privilege of the user and try to access the root user so we can submit the final flag. So right now we are working on that. So let's start with this. And yeah, that's the only thing. Yo, Ashutosh, how you doing, bro? It's been a long time. Okay, so back to the work, and let's start the machine. Okay, it's already running, so let's go and start hitting the wall back. And yep, machine was down, so we're gonna do open VPN, restart the VPN. I hope it connects, else I have to download the new one. I cannot resolve the host, that's bad. And why cannot resolve the host? It's not even canceling what it's running. Damn it. Okay, cancelled. No. Yeah, enter. DC version. Is the SSL has been expired or something? Open SSL. Yep. This is say the temporary failure in name resolution. Okay, it's not working, so we're gonna switch to another VPN. So let's download the different one. Connect to the hack the box machines. Wait. Yep, machines and open VPN. Let's see, where is the less like ping here? It was VPN 8 TCP download, and there we go. Let's put in the VM, save it, and open it here. Okay, it's already there, so we don't need to do much. That means all we have, no, I guess we can do it from here itself. Why bother going there? Let me put it here. And where's the VPN file? Cut this and hack the box, VPN, paste it here. Yes, I want to replace, and boom. Okay, let's fire the machine, and this time it should connect. Or maybe there's some network problem that it's not able to connect with the VPN, and that would be very bad. So how you guys been doing? I was away for pretty good amount of days. Oh, Let me restart the machine. Maybe that's the problem here. Or is there any sort of network issue? Let's check the settings. Okay. Machine is down. Let's check the virtual box. Machine. Select this. Settings. Oh, new version found. Let's go with that. Yeah, sure. Windows exe. Save it. Fire it. Yep, after so long, brother. It's been 3-4 days, I believe. Yeah, internet interface, whatever. Install it. How you been doing? I'm trying to install the VirtualBox new version. It seems the size has been messed up for some reason. It looks good here, but not here. Pretty weird. And says file in use. Some files that need to be updated are currently in use. Let's close this, then retry. Install using this program installed correctly. Retry. There's some compatibility issues. I have been doing good, but I'm at attention tomorrow. I have to submit an Andrew based project. I told it's completed, but it's not. Ah man, it's just like by-going stuff. You do what you do. It seems installation is messed up. Yep, kill the installation. It's not going anywhere. Damn it. And there is this and the task. Oh. And yep, end it. Let's go to downloads. Or from here itself. Removed. Where did it drop the file? Oh, there it is. Yes. I don't know why it's cutting the whole stuff here, but it's doing okay over this screen. It says another installation in progress. You must complete that one. There isn't any installation running, bro. Just start it. These small little things irritate so much. It still says, don't tell me I have to restart the whole system. Exit, install with compatibility settings. Install this program. Sorry guys, it's taking time for some weird reason. I should have tested it before going live. Here, it says fatal error. Okay, Seems to be broken. Virtual box. Who cares about this? Check for updates. Nothing to update. But if I'll open the file and try to install it, it's not letting me rewrite the stuff. Repair. Yes. Go for it. Fatal error occurred. Installation failed. This is bad. Yeah, it is messed up. But let's see if I'll fire the machine now. Yep, got a new lovely error here. Name not found, device, sweep box, whatever. Driver is probably stuck. Stop starting, trying this to reboot actually might help. Let's see if we can kill this process and check it back. Can we find? We can find it here. Virtual box. Nothing here. Startup over here. VIR. Nothing here. What about this place? VMware. Nope. Yo, what's up, brother? I think I might be wrong or maybe not, but I need some time to restart the machine. Maybe that's the problem here. Or the other thing I can do is just try to uninstall it and reinstall it so it can fix whatever mishappening is going on here. Oracle uninstall, continue. Yosh. It says the program installation finished. Remove it. Sorry guys, I wasn't expecting it to be this dumb in the very beginning of another day. It's just removing the registries and stuff for the Oracle. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Let's do some Bullet Brother. Yeah, that's the only thing I can rely on for now, cause this tool is messed up and not sitting back properly. Let's go here. Downloads. Okay. It seems our file is also has been removed. That means we need to download the new one. VirtualBox. Download. Windows host. Start downloading. And it's over the machine. Yes. Agree. Yes, yes, next, install. See, it's broken for some reason. Copying new files. I just hope the settings has not been messed up. Have you done authority? Authority, yeah. I don't remember that I have done the authority or not. Let me check. Start this. Authority. It's not in here though. Is it over here? Authority. Oh, it's not in here. That means I haven't done it yet. God knows. If it's not there, like chances are might not have. Okay. Kali, and this is the one, or this is the one? This is a 23rd. This seems to be a new one. Let's fire this. Okay, we got the file here. Let's check the settings. I hope it didn't remove the setting stuff. System, pretty good. 6 CPUs. Display, yes. Bridge network, pretty good. Yep, everything looks good. Let's fire this. Anti-create file. Make sure kernel mode has been loaded successfully. Do you have knowledge about digital forensics? I have a presentation topic: data recovery from different repositories using freeware. I tried recover, but pen drive for pen drive, but for hard disk and mobile, don't know. I don't remember the tool I will be telling you is going to be the right tool, but there we go. Has been terminated unexpectedly. Let's try one more time. Okay, so it's not gonna work. I have to reset the machine. So the for the forensics, I'm not sure. The tool I'm going to tell you is going to be in that manner, but there was one. I don't remember if it was for forensics or not, but I'm not able to recall the tool. It was a free one, and it is from Wondershare. Let me check. Wondershare live boot. Yeah, this one. So this used to be a thing a while back, and seems the live boot 2012 is discontinued, no longer supported by Wondershare. So yep, this is the one. I remember that clearly now. So what happened was when we used to lost the keys of the Windows and some other stuff, if your like actual Windows is not working, so we can use this way to enter into the machine and get the sensitive files, or maybe try to get the required knowledge that we need from that certain machine. This was the actual purpose of this, but security people like us, we use it for a different manner. If you know that there is in a BIOS, there is a way to, you can list out first, second, third boot options. So when this is a live boot compatible, so you can boot it into the like pen drive, and using that pen drive you can set its priority over the first, and once it has been booted, you can actually check the whole system of the user and what sort of users are there, what sort of files in there. You can like just access the whole machine itself. If your BIOS is not locked, this is the other way you the user can enter into your system, if even if you have like pretty strong password or whatever necessary means you have implemented over your Windows application. So this was the one another way when how we can access the Windows machine over the CPU or laptop or wherever you want it to access. So this is what I remember. I'm not sure if it is gonna be any helpful for you, but this wasn't a part of recovery. There are some other tools that I don't recall for the file recovery. There was it was something, it used to start with something hex. Let me check if it is file recovery tool. No, it hexaware, no. Hexadecimal, no. I don't remember. Maybe it might be stored in one of my like old hard drives. But I remember there was a pretty damn good tool for the same purpose. With that, you can check over the Google. There are some pretty good useful tools that you can use. There is a Auto Spy. I think that's what we call Auto PSY. This tool, which is to recover the like forensic. This is for the forensic research. You can try to utilize this. This used to be a OG tool in its time. I'm pretty sure it is still. And there seems to be more tools over here. The sloth kit, this one was also pretty good tool back in time when I was into this. Forensics toolkit, never used it before, cannot comment on it. But I'm not able to recall that specific tool. That it was actually a pretty good tool. You can actually use that for recovering like if it is image, you can use that to recover the images. If it's some certain file or some certain video file or whatever, that tool did a pretty good job for me. At least I was able to recover more like half of my drive from that. There are some certain packages where the I think size matters. For example, if there is a file which exceed a certain limit, and you know that in those kind of file there is a chances that it might break somewhere in there. So because of that, I wasn't able to recover the whole drive system, but half of it I was able to recover. And with that, let's restart the machine, and there will be a pause and I will be back. So please bear that and give me a sec. Restart. Tell me guys, we are back live. Drop it in the chat. I am back live. Okay, the reset has fixed the machine, so we are good on that. We are back, right? Machine has been fixed. And it seems like let's start the browser. And Obsidian. Good. We are back. I hope this time it won't mess up. Let's do sudo openvpn, enter, Kali, and it started. Just start the session and we're good. There we go. We are good. And if I'll refresh here, this should show us that we are connected. And boom, we are connected. We are back, guys. We are back. It's been a long time. Give me a sec. Authorities and ad box medium level. It's kind of OSCP box. You should do it once it's straight. Yeah, sure. I'll keep that into track. Let's put it over here if you say so. Over here. Yo, I have it. Give me a sec. I have it in there. If it should be here. Yep, there it is. And it seems I might have done it. There's a LDAP. It's a Windows based machine. Okay, this I have already done it. You're talking about this, right? The 10.11.22. Let me show you something if you can recognize that. Okay, let's put it aside. This is a correct box, right? SMB started. It was trying to recurse the files. And in here we found some password, I believe. Okay. Don't. Yeah, sure. Actually, when you're working on the same machine. Oh, yes. I remember now. I recall it. Ansible to JSON. I did it. And because of this machine, I got introduced with this. Where the hell is it? With this command. This machine actually introduced me over here. And I'm pretty sure I have mentioned it in here. And it seems I didn't. Well, who cares? I have stuff. I'm working towards it. So yeah, I have already done it. It was a pretty damn good box. Ansible Vault broke my head. I got so confused, but interesting. Yep. And as you can see, it is not fully finished yet. I did got the password and stuff, but it's still not fully finished. It need clearance, so we will take it. Let's put it here. I'll update the comment here. On demand. Alex will finish this in live itself. There you go. Now I won't forget it. It's showing right there. So let's get back to the solid state. And we had some good users here. We tried to get the password, but the problem was we cannot use those, and we have the functionality to reset the password. I'm just recalling what we did into this machine last time. When we tried to reset the password using that, we found that we can read the emails, and over here we find a Mindy username and password. Using that, we got the SSH connection. From here we got the username.txt, but we wasn't able to access that. So after trying some stuff, there was a rbash where which is a restricted bash, as you can see over here, restricted shell. So it was restricting us to perform any sort of command. Over here you can see -rbash, grep command not found, id not found, then clear. We cannot use any of these commands because the shell was restricted. And once we dealt with that, we started looking how we can bypass that. And on one of the notes, or not notes, but the write-up place that I have in my what we say, bookmarks, over here. So over here we found that how we can bypass this R bash, and here we got the bypass for this in down here. Where is it? For the SSH. So we used this. Although we tried all four of these last one and the first two didn't work, but this no profile one worked for us. And from there we was able to perform some certain actions, and here we have reached so far. We downloaded the linpiece output over the local, and we was trying to figure out like how we can use the information over here that we got from the linpiece to perform the privilege escalation. So let's get back to the machine and fire this cd solid state. I'm not saying the cd, I'm just saying cd. Where the hell did you walk up? Okay, so let's see what we have. We have the pub key, but that wasn't handy a bit. So let's go back and read this. And there are a few places that I usually look, and I have started look. The first one is what sort of exploits we have. What's the user ID and stuff. Let's go all the way up here. In here I used to check what's the ID, where the hell is it? Oh yeah, the first executing Linux exploit suggester. This gives a pretty good information like what sort of exploits you can use, although it's not certain that by using this you will be able to escalate the privilege, but it is there. There is a heap based outbound right. So it wasn't that of a fun to check. Reason over here, you see, I was more interested in this one cause it says if you'll see any combination of red and yellow, like with the same color as this, there's a 95% chances of the privilege escalation vector. So I was looking at this, and over the red it said you should give a look, or maybe you should give a try. If it works, it worked. If it didn't work, it didn't work. So that's how I was lurking around. And now the first place was this. The second place is what sort of services it's running. I hardly check over here because it don't give better results. And no, sorry, the second was what sort of cron jobs are running. We check for the cron jobs, and it says the cron tab, it's running daily. There's a pw password, there's a man dev, log rotate, there's a cracklib runtime, this bst main utils something, apt compat apache 2 0 anacron placeholder anacron. These are daily cron. Only root has the permission to perform these, so it is pretty good. Let's see what's next. We have the sake files. I'm not able to understand what these all are. Oof. But one day Next over here, the dbus. Nothing much. Like all I can see is the regular processes names, display manager, the resolve one, nm dispatcher, network one, logic, local host name, power up, u disks 2. Nothing out of blue. Then network information, nothing here. The host name, there is the weird one because it says OS boxes. Not sure if we need to add it into the as the host, cause this is a totally different name. What else is there? There is a PGP key, but I don't think that's gonna help. Check sudo -l. Oh yeah, we can check that. We didn't check this last time when we used the SSH. Let's try this time. This is a password, paste, enter. Okay, if we do sudo -l, I think it was also broken cause it's a sudo and we cannot use the sudo with no profile user. Su, what's the name of mindy, enter, paste, enter. Okay, cd ... enter. Exit, clear, cd ... home. We have James, cd james, enter, ls. Okay, James have some good stuff. Let's see if we have the tree in here. Command not found, no problem. ls cd desktop, ls -la. See over here, it's OS box, some weird stuff. cd documents, ls -la, cd ... ls-la, cd.ssh. Okay, we don't have permissions to go there. What we can check. The history is going to the dev null, so we won't get anything in the history. .config, pretty less chance. Let's see, cd downloads. By the way, why you do not come live previously 4 days? Actually I was not at home. I was somewhere else. That's why. And I set it into the last live stream, which is the 50th one, where I'm going and why I'm going. I think I have mentioned it in that. That means you don't watch my stuff, brother. cd public ls. I feel like I'm in a rabbit hole here. We won't get much. cd temp templates. This seems to be a rabbit hole. what we can check. Sudo -l didn't work, so we can put that aside. Let's cat this out. I used to wait till 11 and then sleep. Well, thank you, brother, for that, but I was awake cause one of my marital uncle, my mom's brother, got his wrist broken because of an accident. So we was there to check on him if he's good or not. So we can give even a little bit help, even if you cannot do any help. Your presence can comfort sometimes. But he was good, so yeah, he was good. There was a mild fracture. Doctor operated him, and now he has a plate in here. So maybe in a week or two that will place the wrist back to its place, or the bone. So that was going. Get cap -r/null for capabilities. We can try this. Let's see. On here itself, I don't think this itself is gonna be here. Get cap. Let's see. Command not found. Command is not here. Actually, he's a mechanic, and he was just giving a test drive over one of his client. I'm not sure if what you say, the bike, Activa, Scooty, or whatever. So he was giving a test on that. Like there was a blind spot over the turn, so he got bumped into the auto, or you say tuk-tuk, I don't know what you say, but he got bumped into that, and because of that, the sudden hit got him disbalanced, and his wrist took all the toll. Don't forget to test SU as any other user than shell without password and with their name as password. I don't do it in fast mode. Okay, do not forget to execute sudo -l without password, but we cannot perform the sudo -l even with password or without password, so that's understandable. Let's clear this. What's the other username we have? SUJAMES, enter. Okay, we are not authorized to get in there. Let's copy this, paste it here, enter. Not gonna work. Yep, I knew it. Any other password we have so far? I don't think the 1 2 3 till this gonna work in any manner. Even this whole machine got reset, so not a chance. Solid state. What we can do here? SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. Can we perform any sort of code execution using this? Software information. What sort of softwares we have? Xterm, wget, Python, Ping, Perl, Netcat traditional, Netcat, curl base64. Site enabled. This is a root file. access log. I don't think it will be holding anything. Then there we have the RSYNCT info. Use chroot. Yes. Zip files. System connections. Any other idea, guys? Just show it in the chat. I'm looking at it. James keyrings. Let's try read this. Back cat paste enter. We don't have the permission, and give me a sec. Okay, back. Prefix. Possible this could be a password. Let's try SU. James, enter. Password this, enter. Blah blah. Okay, no. SU paste no. Let's go for the root. Enter. Paste, enter. Okay. Not a single password that could help. Our host Mandy. The printer.xml. I don't think that could be holding anything, but let's give a cat. Paste, enter. So much garbage. Let's pipe and grab password. Enter. Okay, it's clear we don't have any sort of password in here. There's some PGP going on, but all of these is for root. We don't have any sort of, we have the read permissions, but I don't think this is going to be any help. GPG. As far as I remember, GPG we use for signatures. Other than that, I remember why we use it for. I think I've used it in the emails. Mine permits. Bin su bin mount ping chg password. We have the permission. Any cron jobs? I didn't see any cron job running that is worth checking. So far, no single cron job. We will go back up once we are done with this side. Anything that I see out of the place that can catch my eyes. I'm not sure if there is anything that is catching my eyes right now. Cap siege on. Nothing good. Bash completion. On this also we only have the read permissions, we don't have the write permission, so this is a waste. Okay, Mandy has some files, cat environment and yada yada. There's a WAV font util.js, some other files, our host, what that could be holding, but we cannot read it. Only root has the permission, so it's not worth. Interesting. Writable files owned by me or writable by everyone, not in home. Let's see, there is a home Mandy, there is dev shm, where we generally go. There's a temp. What's this file? Cat paste enter. It's a directory, so ls paste enter. ls-la space enter. mt transit. There's a James, but whoa, this file has the permission to read, write, and perform other action. Let's see, what's this hold? Cd cat /opt/tmp.py enter, and it says, oh sheesh, /enter. It says system remove. I don't think this also gonna help in any manner. Reason, this has the root permissions, but if we are going to trigger as a user, so it will trigger it as a Mandy, not as a root, unless it's a part of the cron job. So for that, let's see, tmp.py, let's see all the way up if it's a part of the cron job. There are cron jobs, cron tab, placeholder. I don't see it anywhere. Yeah, here. There's an auth message, bin linpiece, user.txt. I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes, else we will jump to the write-up, because I don't have that much time to waste, isn't it? We might get something new to learn. There are some SQLite databases, but we have already checked it by using the grep, so we didn't find anything sensitive in there. Even in this HTML we didn't found anything sensitive, so we can pass on that. There's readable files, but nothing in there, nothing special. There's root key. Oh yeah, I forgot something I wanted to share with you guys. I recently bought a domain name, and I was thinking to host my notes using that DNS, but the same problem, I wasn't able to figure out, like I have way too much notes and I cannot compile it over one place to another. So now I'm waiting for a time when I will be able to purchase the publish service of the Obsidian. Then we might be able to release my notes there. What's your hack the box name? I want to give respect. Respect? Bro, it is good enough. Have you done Link Vortex? I believe yes. Link Vortex, it should be here. I remembered that name. Link Vortex. Link Vortex. Link Vortex. There. I might not have finished it, but I believe I did started it. Maybe I finished it already. Let's see if in the end I have the flags. No, there isn't flags. There are some passwords. Let's see what phase I was in. Like I said, I was doing this, but after some time I stopped doing the stuff. Reason, I wasn't feeling that competitive or like that motivated to do something. So that's the reason why I started doing lives, and now I'm sitting face to face with in front of you guys, and it seems I am sitting way too low, and because of that my back pain has started. This is the best for testing enumeration skills. Could be, but the tool that was needed for this was, I think, GitHacks. I think that was the tool. So this box was good, but because of the tools it required, that was a bit challenging. Get dumper. Okay, I did try that, but it didn't work for me. Give me a sec. Okay, bro, stop diverting me. I was working on this box. Solid state. Okay, you was asking for my hack the box. You can check it into the, I'm not sure if it's in the description, but it is in the channel description at least. And the challenge description name means over here. I think let's copy it from there and I'll drop it in the chat over here. There, this is my profile. There you go. Enjoy. Sure, brother. Anytime. So we are all the way down. We didn't found anything that is worth. And as I said, we cannot use this one. Reason being, even though we have the permission to execute it and run it and do other stuff, but the problem here is it only depends on which user is trying to execute something. So if a low-level user has this permission to perform the action over this script, it won't be executed as a root. It will be executed as this user, that is a Mendy. So we won't be able to perform any solid action on this to get any sort of RC or any sort of privilege escalation to be part of it. So let's give a shot and try to look into write-up, which I do when I'm totally exhausted, and it seems we are all the way down somewhere. We have already dealt with most of it. Ouch. Reboot user, linum. What? That's it? Says if set to password and write up, it's possible to telnet. Yeah, we did the same. We did the resets of the password and we read the emails. Then for the privilege escalation, it says linenum. Running linenums generate a very detailed report. The scan reveals a non-standard and world writable Python script. Yes, we had the same, but the same thing. Is it a part of cron job? create file reveals the script regularly by appending some code, replacing it completely. It will travel to achieve root shell. The flag obtained. Why is that? Or like I am the dumb one here, even though we found the file. Okay, let's see if we have this file. We now know that this is the way, so let's go. Paste it here. Let's give it a read. And in the lin piece, damn it, output, we found there is one file that has excessive amount of permissions, and excessive is wrong, which can be used to perform actions like read, write, execute, and this file was owned by root. So this means if we have this file and some file that has a read write permissions, if a normal user try to execute it, it will still be triggered as a root. That's the thing that not able to level with my brain, cause I remember there is one machine that I solved previously and that has the same permissions like read, write, execution and stuff, but it didn't give me the root for a good reason. And there we go. And this file contains the system command to perform remove action in the /temp tmp. Never underestimate the power of root. Yeah, actually, I never do. I never underestimate the power of root, but it's the problem is, this sync that doesn't fit in the like actions that we usually perform. Like cause if you see over here, we have this over here, the read write permission for all of the users, right? On the directory level, on the root level, and etc. And you can see this file is owned by the root. I remember there was one file that I saw in the same manner, and when I try to edit that and try to execute it to get the root shell out of it, it didn't give me that. It gave me the like reverse shell based on this certain user, which let's say if it was an XY user back then, so we can consider this as a Mendy over here that gave the like action or the user that or the RC that we got. So let's see what we get this time. So we will clear it and we will do VI, which seems to be a bad choice. Temp directory. Let's edit it so it can give us the either the RCE or the bin bash as root on the execution. Okay, so let's edit this file. VI, we're gonna copy this, paste it here, enter, try, and go all the way here. So what we're gonna do, insert, insert, is it not? Okay, it's taking the actions now. Bash, damn. Insert single quote, bash, space, slash, bin slash bash, and let's put the hyphen I or C. Okay. No. Insert next line. Damn it. Insert T. Okay. Now it's fixed. Oh, shish. Right quit exclamation enter. Cat the same file. This is what we have made it into. So now let's execute it and see if we get the bash shell as root. Should I just copy paste? Okay, cannot execute the binary file, so we need Python 3. I thought, okay, it's not a Python 3. We'll just give it a Python, enter. And it says cannot execute bin bash. That means this time we're gonna use different approach. Nano. No. I know nano, but no. Yeah, I know that we can use that, but I'm not in that mood. I just wanted to get the bash here itself without getting any sort of, or without adding any sort of extra stuff. So let's try hit and trial, right? That's how we learn. Enter. It did execute. Who am I? Mendy. Okay, it did run, and you can see we are in different shell right now. So that means we need to edit it once more. And sheesh. Exit. Nano. Paste. Enter. Instead of command, we need to make it. Let's try this. If this works, we're gonna give it double quotes. Bash -I space double quotes X Y enter. It says bash -C, no such file or directory. Yush. Yes, -I. Now I don't remember if it is gonna be in. Oh yes, it we are putting it on the wrong place. I think it was gonna be here. And over here it is gonna be C. Or maybe without that it will work. Just messed up. And if I'll do enter, bash cannot execute the binary. Enter. Good luck, my friend. I show respect. I am Canary on Hack the Box. See you soon. Yeah, see you anytime. Not anytime, but I'll have to sleep so and do the work. So yeah, see you soon. Let's remove the -C and let's check how this will work. I think in the write-up he did the RCE, right? Yep, he tried the RCE. We don't want to do that. Enter. Okay, it's not able to execute it. But if we'll check here, it is able to -E bin bash. And does same work for this too? Instead of -I, if I'll go with the -E, will it be able to? -E? Well, I don't think this is a wrong flag, but who knows, right? Yeah, it's a wrong flag. No. Tried getting the root correctly, but didn't work. We can try other stuff too. But don't have much time. So we gonna get the RCE using the netcat listener. There we go. So let's go here and here and here. We gonna give it this. Doesn't matter which way we go. Copy this. Nano. No. And over here, remove. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Paste it. Hyphen nothing, just Control X, Control Y, enter. Start the netcat listener here. Enter. Cat this damn file. And we're gonna do the Python space paste enter. And with this, we got the RCE. Who am I? And it's Mandy. See, this is what I was talking about. So how did he got the access of root? He did what? Create a file in temp and write reveals that the script is running regularly by appending some code to the end of the file. By replacing it completely trivial to achieve root shell, the flag can obtain from this user and root. This is what we did. Don't tell me there is some sort of cron job going on for this certain file. That will be heartbreaking. I'm forgetting the command to check the cron job. It's cron something, cron tab. Enter. Will we guess something? Cancel. Clear. Cron tab. -h. List user cron jobs. No cron job for Mandy. Prompt before deleting user cron jobs. Will we be able to check for the root? -u. Oh, we need to provide the -u here. -u. Enter. Must be privileged to use -u. Then how the hell I'm gonna understand that it's running a cron job, and because of that cron job we did got an RCE over here. And if I'll do who am I now, and it's root. You guys are getting it? How in the hell we gonna know that it's running some sort of cron job? This doesn't make any sense. Does it to you? Or maybe if we haven't done this, right? If we will go with let's go here. System hyphen. It was E or -I? It was -I, right? This. And but yeah, it's gonna be a problem because we need some sort of file to be triggered to get us the bash. Okay, doesn't matter. We're gonna go with N, discard the changes, clear it. So we got the root, but how are we gonna identify if there was another cron job running? How to check what cron job are running on user root via cron utility without sudo and with the user which don't have the access to the root. I don't think this will be able to answer it, but we might be able to get it. It says cat. Okay, let's see. Cat slash etc slash cron tab. Enter. There is something running on the hourly basis, but it says no sudo required, but it's not listing here. The path. There is nothing into the opt. Like, do you guys are able to understand like what's going on here, and try to explain me a bit in the chat, like what the hell here I'm missing? Like, there might be a way to get this part without this lin enum, and if there is, how the hell did this person got to know that it is a cron job, not a regular file that you need to trigger? That's my question. How are we gonna know that? Let's check someone else right up, and we might be able to get it how they're able to understood. And for this, we gonna open another browser because I don't want to see any ads. So we will go to the solid state, HTTP, enter. We have OXDF, we have this, and damn, my fingers. Ouch, 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 ouch. There are some, no. Reset. Solid state. What? Zero to root. This one. Okay, we got some good amount of write-ups. Now let's see what we have. Solid state, beyond root. I don't want to check that for now. There's a PSPY. Got it. What does it tell? Every 3 minutes I see. What do you see every 3 minutes? Root is running this file. Okay, so he's monitoring the processes. Oh shish. To check which process is triggering again and again. Right. But there is a big but. Config printing event. The printing event. Curious case of OSCP. Did you guys understood what the hell happened over here? Cause in the portion I did understood. Thanks, that helped. How did it help? CP the stuff in here, but how you got to know? Yes, I already know. What? It's linenum.sh. So yes, this person is trying to monitor what sort of processes are running. So if we will go back, cat, not this, Mendelian piece pipe grep tmp.py, enter, and here, yep, no, nothing about the processes. That's what was missing. Charge has been completed. Got it. And thank you people for taking me till 900. Expecting we might be reaching the 1000 subscriber by the end of this month, maybe more than that. And another good news that I'll be visiting the Nullcon this year in the Goa. So not sure how many of you will be present there, or I might be telling you where I'm or something. But yeah, if you're going there, I hope you'll enjoy. So let's see where we will see each other. Okay, let's remove all of this here. Now we will add a learning in the end, cause that's something out of new we gotta know. Back here, clear, cut, slash opt slash tmp dot py. Well, this is something that you give your time and relax, not a jumping process. And let me check how many likes we got today. Oh, good. 8 likes. That's unexpected. I hope the one you're watching will also drop some good likes. What we have? We created this. Now, what we missed here is that we didn't monitor the processes which I got to know from the not from the write-up of OXDF. Not even the HTTP write-up mention that. It just mentioned the tool, and who cares about that? Which doesn't make any sense. Okay. what the what that damn tool is. LinEnum. Let's keep it. In future it might come handy. Over here, Lin enumeration. I'm not sure if I have it. Yep, we don't have this tool, so I guess it's time to add it here. It's a enumeration tool, so it will go here. LINENUM to monitor the recurring processes. It's the enumeration, not a web application. It's the Linux processes. Yep, there we go. Another add-on into the tools. And in the solid state, it has been used. Example, solid state. We don't have the command, so we will copy the command from here, or maybe here. This further is using the different tool, or we can use any of these. PSPY. Or the tool. PSPY used by OXDF. It's not OXDF, it's 0XDF. In his write-up. Which makes sense. So there was a cron job running that was triggering the /opt/tmp.py file, and we can use that file to make it execute the RCE. Will you be able to complete this by today? It is already completed. I'm just setting up the notes and make it more understandable. If someone else will read it after me or beside me, they should be able to understand like what the hell is going on here. Cause if you go to the write-up that is given over here, this doesn't mention anything related to the monitoring the process. Over here it just says command list this, it will got the SSH, trigger the command execution, exploit and grant unrestricted blah, 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 and Linux enum. What the hell do we need this tool for? It says it generates the detailed report, right? But even if it creates a detailed report over here, we already saw that it is like slash opt slash temp.py. The file is there, but the problem is it doesn't mention that there is some sort of cron job running behind the scene that is actually executing this file to like executing this file as a root, which helps the user to get the root shell. So this is a portion or the part that is missing in this write-up, and this write-up need an update actually, because if someone else is doing the same stuff and they just get the root the way I got, this won't make any sense to that person. Like, how the hell did he got this permission or like the root? What I did was I did the same thing, but I was trying to run it as my user, and like brother said, never underestimate the power of root. He was kind of right, but at the same time he was wrong. I don't know what the hell happened there, but yeah, this portion was not mentioned in here, and this portion doesn't make any sense to a new user who is trying to understand how the cron jobs actually help the user to get the RC and other stuff. So this specific portion is missing over here, that need an update in here, and because of that I wasn't able to understand like how the hell this user got the netcat listener, even though like I said in the like previously, if a certain user who is executing the file, even if that file is owned by the root user, if it is executed by a low level user, it will give the access of that certain user rather the root user. So that's a tricky part here. So without cron job, it is not possible to get the RCE here. So there must be some sort of cron job running behind the scene that is not visible here, and we will check that shortly. But first, let's copy this and paste it here. Mosquito, is it dead? No, it escaped. So let's mention here missing part related to the cron job as root. Now that we have the root access, let's check what cron jobs it's running as root. The next machine is gonna be node, and as it says node, and I'm assuming it is gonna be a Node.js, so let's take a hit there. So if we will see here, cron tab -l, enter. There, you see, this was the problem there. As such, there we go. This thing isn't mentioned anywhere that it is running some sort of cron job over the root. Here, as the root, we can see the root is running this file in the cron job. Now let's submit the flag, the root.txt flag, and finish the box. And with that, also get the user /etc/shadow file. cat/etc/shadow, enter, and we have total 3 users here. There we go. Search, what you doing? Solving a box, and clear won't work. Yeah, I assume it won't work. cat/root/root.txt, enter, and there we go. Our root. If someone wants to see this, they can see it, and it's not gonna work after I submit it. There we go. So you see, there is a problem when you don't have the proper write-up or something. We knew that it is something messed up. It was very easy. It's just the information wasn't wrong, and we used the wrong tool to perform certain actions. So we'll cancel it, and if I'll keep it live back, we'll get the RC again. So how much longer should we wait? Hi, it's not coming. Okay, let's fix some more in here. Found powerful file, temp.py. With God permissions. Okay, so we have everything listed here. We found try to bypass the restricted shell, which is R bash or restricted shell, whichever it is. Found the file, powerful file, which is a temp.py with the God permission. Oh, so that's how you guys do write-ups. Yes. Missing part relate to the cron job as a root, which we have now mentioned here. And over here now it's clear that we have what we have done. And over here, users password or user pass etc/dow shadow. There we go. See, it took a hefty amount of time, but we got the RC this time again. So let's cancel this and exit from here, clear, and we can reset it, or we don't need it anymore. So with this, we have solved another box. This was actually an easy one, and if you remember, it didn't took more than 2 videos, or maybe 3 videos. It was more of a problem in the last one too, and in this one too. So we was able to solve it in a pretty good amount of time, or we say pretty decent amount of time. And yeah, I would like to show you guys one more thing. If you are into this field and if you're working for some corporate, there is a script that I have developed for the GoDaddy, which helps you download the subdomains and domains. But for that, you need your organization API keys. Without that, it won't work. And there's another one which I'll be updating shortly that will help you to like download the DNS entries of GoDaddy and Cloudflare, so you can identify like which assets is yours and you don't have to open those both portals again and again. So I think I'll create a separate video for this with some hyped name tag or something. Oh, we don't need a reset here, we just need to terminate it. I'm a whole idiot. Oh guys, we need one more view. It seems weird. Oh nice, it's now it's over 70. It was showing the 69, now it's 70. Pretty good, thank you for that. And if you're guys new here watching or are older, give a like. New here, consider subscribing. Looks like you play Genshin. How? I didn't catch that. If it's a joke, I didn't catch that. Sorry, my bad. Matrix, real life applicable. It is somewhat common vulnerability. Not so common. Numeration, it was pretty good. What in your world per minute? Average is 70 and highest was 79. Oh, typing speed. I don't know, it is long gone, man. I used to measure it when I was like developing a website or something, but it's been long since I have developed anything. Can you try now? I'm gonna get embarrassed. A damn bad embarrassed. Let's see. Because I cannot keep up with the writing and stuff. Monkey. Monkey type. Oh, this. This bookmark is like a pretty damn old one. 2 years back? Or maybe 3 years back? Yeah, it's been hanging since then. Non-essentials times let's go over the 15 seconds. Punctuations, I don't know. It says tab or enter to restart. See, it's dead. use want they she program the others use which because see it is pretty bad. I like to type correct rather as fast as possible. Since open get when on then like life would 30 repeat since open get when on. What the hell is this words? I'm not able to get it. This English is weird. This English is weird, man. Since open get when on. I'm just going back and back. Life mode and school. Yep, I'm just going back and back. It's bad since I haven't done it in a long time and I don't even measure it because I hardly type that fast. No, the one I was repeating, it was like same thing. Okay, we'll do this some another time when we have hefty amount of time. We'll do this then. But for now, we are done with this box. So let's give a closure. First, what we have found in this is something related to the James admin. No, it's Apache James server. So we will put it here, what we have exploited. JAMES hyphen server Apache. What else we have? RCE. Do we have that in here? No, we don't. Then what else we have? This does not have any sort of password reset. Do we have password reset? Oh, no, we don't have it. What if we have it here? Password reset. This is another vulnerability that we can exploit. What's next? What's next? Solid state, telnet. Uh, 110. What's this server for? It's a POP, right? Yep. It's a POP. Sorry, POP 3. Or instead like this. POP 3. POP 3. POP 3. We used the telnet. What else we used? We used the lin piece. Apache 2 was part of it, so we will keep that. Yes, we need to mention this rbash or rbash or bash. Do you use SQL box? What is SQL box? SQL box. Oh, injection tool. This is something new. No, I don't use it. Latest version. Okay, paid stuff. Nope, it's not our kind of tool where you have to pay money, at least when you're broke. So no, never tried this. Len enum. Okay, it's not here, so we're not gonna do this. Exploit RCE tool used. Cron job. Yes, we did. Cron job. We didn't try any sort of password exploitation. Logic. Exploit script logic, that's what we did. Script logic compromise. Or like the permission was itself was too much. Good thing you don't use it cause it's SQL map but with some extra stuff and a little GUI. Man, people are just lost in the sparkling stuff. Apache pass reset pop3 cron jobs lint piece telnet. Telnet is not here. Lint piece. Let's add the telnet. rbash is there. Cron job is there. Okay, with this we have another box finish, and it's also ready to publish. Not sure when it will be published, but whatever. And next box, node lab. It's an medium one with Linux. Creation date today. It's in the live machine URL. We need to check that. And I'm pretty sure it's something related to Node.js. Not sure why, but that's what my instinct says. Paste. Tool used, I don't know. And if we'll go node.htp, let's go node.htp, node.htp. Copy this, paste it here. Full hold, get the shell. GV Victor has subscribed to you. Thank you, brother, if you're watching. Thanks much. Okay, when we'll be getting it. Go a bit down, nothing here. We just need to provide the IP address and start with the box. It's taking time, so let's refresh it, and I'm pretty sure it has been given the IP by now. I don't know why, but it's forced people to get here. we have only 30 minutes left, so let's see what we can get in this much time and try to utilize it as much as possible. Yep. Why wait for tomorrow? Who knows if I'll be here or not. So I just start this stuff right away. The reason why I tell people to like jump into the live itself, because I'm not making the videos about the box. What I'm doing it for practice and creating my own database where I can collect the stuff and like later on check on it, instead like sticking on to a single thing. So let's go here, mkd there, and node cd node clear. I came across your script while solving the link vortex. Yo, my script? Link vortex? What does that has to do with the link vortex? Which script are you talking about? You're giving my disclosure, bro. I might have had one here. Who knows? Who? And it must be in the bash instead of any other Python or some other fancy language. It should be in bash. Otherwise, I'll be disappointed. Who is going crazy outside with the car? Let's add it into the host. Sudo manage hosts. There we go. Callie entered the new host. We have the IP address. We're gonna provide it. Node.htb, enter, and we gonna remove it. Cancel. Clear. Now we have the stuff sitting on the place. Paste it, press enter, and let it simmer. Okay, so which script you're talking about? I'm not sure. Let's see if I can find it. If I recall it, exploit was go CMS, and yes, it was on bash. Was it good? Man, I write the scripts in the bash only, the good stuff, without any damn dependencies. People don't mark the star, they just use it. Only one star? Must be you, and there's one fork, which I wasn't able to understand. Like, someone said that contributor Marcus, okay, yes, he made a bit update in the script. Yes, I remember it now. Yep, it's a Node.js 3000 port. Yeah. Here it is. CSV 2013, sorry, 2023 40028. I knew it. I knew it. Oh, we had the change logs. Image hygiene, no change to playability. Clean up disk image to reduce size. Enable and test flag rotation. No changes for player's point of view. Pew. As I said, flag is over durations. Let's see how far in the vortex I reached. And where did I stopped? Oh, no, 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 no. Okay. This is the script that I created. Updated or did what? See, even I don't remember what I have done in the past. Toulouse of a person, right? Over here, got the head. And from here we found this. I think I remember one more thing that people don't check. I'll share it someday. And it's a pretty good, damn good thing. And people don't usually check that and they just directly jump over the tool. I'll share it someday when I'll solve the vortex again, or maybe something similar if I'll find it in another box. And it's a pretty damn good thing. Not gonna lie. We have Hadoop running here. Yeah. And with that, we have port 22, which I assume we have to exploit this Hadoop to get the RCE. Once we'll get the RCE, we'll try to fetch the password or the SSH key. And once we get the SSH key, we will try to get the system through so we can escalate the privilege and get the RCE. Not the RCE, but the root flag. We are rapper voice. Sorry, my bad. Okay. Let's start with the node. It's a Linux box, so we can remove a GSP and stuff. Or we can remove everything. Who cares about these many extensions? It was for the other boxes or maybe some other places. txt dot comma dot md comma dot it's a node, so there is gonna be the JS file. What other file could be there? Shoot any other file name that you recall when you hear the node. JSP, maybe JSP. Let's keep it. And JSON, not sure, but can be. And we will copy this. So and boom. We're gonna get the errors out. And for some reason, I'm feeling yeah. What I was feeling right. And it's gonna be the port 3000. And enter. But so much garbage. And to filter the garbage, we use FL. In the FL, oh, we can use FS also. FS 3861. And all this seems same, so we gotta press the enter again and start. Yo, we are getting stuff, we're getting upload, we're getting assets, and we're getting more. We got the vendor. Okay, then it's time for bed. See you tomorrow. Yeah, it's almost time for bed. Me too. Only 10 minutes more and I'll be going to sleep too. So yeah, definitely see you tomorrow. These are like good amount of requests that it's sending to the server, like 1200 requests. Not bad. Okay, we got the Node.js running here. Let's run the puff. I don't know why though. Before visiting the web app, but whatever. By the time it's running, let's visit the web app of this node.js. Bold back here. It's running, so let's visit the browser. And my VM is going crazy. That's something crazy. Okay, it's node.http :3000, and for that we need http :// my place. What the hell is Mark doing here? There's a Tom who? There's a restating some weird looking names. I don't know. Here we have found some weird people name. And there is a login button which I believe is going to take us on the login page. Let's fix the beliefs. Wrong beliefs can cause problems, right? So the belief has been fixed. and let's visit. But let's create the table of the members name we have. Username, most probably password, not sure, just assuming. Tom, Mark, RASTATING. This seems to be a genuine one for some reason. I don't know. Weird type of genuineship is going on here. Tom, Thomas. Login failed. Pretty easy to figure out, right? Okay. We are already up time. No, we're not up time, but only 8 minutes left. So, gastric problems. No problem. Okay. So, this will keep running in the background and we'll check on this later. Note has already been started. Chat is running somewhere. So we'll take a closure for this and proceed with this tomorrow. Let me come on the bigger camera. Okay, now you can see me good, right? Yeah. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow, and those who are new here, please consider subscribing. I don't know why I'm saying it, but yeah, please consider subscribing and like the stream if you're liking the content so far. Although there are some problems when we work, so yeah, it will be part of it. So consider liking the video and share it with others, those you think can benefit from it. And what else? If you're new here, like, subscribe, share, drop a comment what you're not able to understand, drop a comment even if it's a appreciation or whatever, like drop something, man. So I'll just give a like with the heart one, like from the channel user, whatever it is. And yeah, that's it. I hope you'll enjoy the time with me so far. And again, same thing. I don't know how many times I'm gonna repeat it. New here, subscribe, like, share, whatever. Old one, subscribe. You have already subscribed it, so I'm going crazy here. Like the video, like the stream, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you're in the same zone as me, have a great rest of your night. If you're in a different zone, have a great rest of your day and enjoy it to your fullest. With that said, I'm not sure if I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Who knows what will happen in the night or maybe in the day by the time I'll come live, if I'll be here or not. But yeah, there's always a new day for others. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, have a great time. Bye-bye. Yeah, some weird stuff. I don't know why I say this much, but whatever.